Hiya! How you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like opening the latest Sophie and Toffee box. And look, it's all different. It's a different colour. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see what's in the box. If Magnus will let me. He's not happy with me. Apparently I should be resting. He's probably right. That's my support dog. He alerts me when I'm doing too much. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love these stickers, but they break the tissue paper and I like to use it for stuff. He's gone in the other room to have a whinge now. My dog. Right. Oh, well wrapped up again. Oh, this one looks wicked. Oh, there's weird stuff in here. Okay. Dress up in different fighting outfits. Cookie's Revenge. The March Elves box. Yay! We'll have a look at that in a bit. Okay. Oh, wow. I've got tons of stuff in here. Got some silvery iridescent large glitter. We've got some green fine glitter. We've got Mirandai pigment in, what colour's that? Blue? What colour is it? Sorry. Nope, still can't see. I'll have to have a look on the thingy. My eyesight's awful. We've got some bits and pieces. You know what they are. Candy bits. What's this? Oh, E6000. Medium viscosity. Oh, I could do with some of that. That's brilliant. This is the best glue. Okay. We've got some UV resin. What was that? That was 25 grams. That's not bad. 3-to-1 resin. 100 grams, I think. Yeah. You add them together. What's this? I have no idea what this is. We'll have to have a look. I'm sure the book will tell me. Oh my god, that's so dinky. Shush, Magnus, I'll be there in a minute. I'm not doing the actual project. I'm just looking at what's in the box. Shh, 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 shh. No. Shh. He's got to have the last word. Okay, and oh, look. Different things you could dress him up as. Oh my goodness, there's so much in this box. Lots of different outfits, look. Oh, these are going to be delicate to do. Look like they're going to be fun though. And oh no, there's something else. Oh, another pigment. Brown? Honey? I'm not sure. I'll have a look at the book. And that's it. That's everything. That is awesome though. You get tons of stuff. Wow. I like this kind of box where it's all little things to do. I love it. Absolutely love it. We'll see how easy it's to do in the next video. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to doing this for sure. No idea what that is. We'll have to have a look at the book. Right, here's the book. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look at what we got. yeah, we got all the molds. That's awesome. And look what you can make. Aren't they so cute? Right, let's have a look at this. Okay, so we've got the 3-2M polymer sprinkles. That's the word I was looking for. UV resin silicone, yeah. Exclusive Mirandai pigment dye. Oh, it didn't say what colour on there. Oh, blue. Sorry, blue Mirandai pigment dye. And maroon Mirandai pigment dye. Awesome. Clearcraft glue. What's this? Black water-based marker. Ah, water-based. That water-based doesn't go too good with the resin. Well, that must be to do after you've done the resin. Yeah, don't do that before the resin. Not good. Okay. Green diamond dust glitter. Yeah, that's the really fine stuff. And purple cotton candy glitters. Ooh, that's awesome. And then it shows you what to do, how to put them together, and then who won. Sorry, my dyslexia won't let me. Vanessa Miles Design. There we go. Congratulations. And congratulations to the Angel Rock 1508. Oh, I like that. That's wicked. Yeah. That's cool too. Like those. Oh, that's awesome. And then you get some telling you what to do. That is wicked. And just nothing on the back. Awesome. Love that. I'll take some pictures. And we'll be done. I hope you liked the video. I know I'm not doing a project when I do openings. It's just to give me a chance to get ahead of myself. Hope you liked the video. If you do, like and subscribe. If you don't, tell me how I can improve, but please be kind. I'm not professional. I'm just doing this for some fun. Okay. Thanks.
And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.